Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Italian frittata. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 large eggs, which form the heart of our frittata. For a creamy texture, have 1/3 cup of heavy cream or milk ready. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil for the pan, and about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, such as mozzarella or parmesan. Finally, season with half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Next, let's prepare the delicious fillings for your frittata. Choose 1 to 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, like diced bell peppers, sliced zucchini, or chopped onions. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a 10-inch oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Sauté your chosen vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. It's important not to overcook them at this stage. Once done, let them cool slightly before moving to the next step. Now let's bring everything together. In a large bowl, whisk your 6 to 8 eggs with 1/3 cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper until well combined. Gently fold in your sautéed vegetables and about 3/4 cup of shredded cheese. Pour this mixture into your buttered 10-inch oven-safe skillet. Cook on the stove top over medium-low heat for approximately 5 minutes, allowing the edges to set and firm up. To finish our frittata, carefully transfer your skillet to a preheated oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the center is fully set and the top is lightly golden. You can check for doneness by ensuring the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, remove the frittata from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing into wedges. Serve warm and enjoy your delicious, homemade Italian frittata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.